Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we're going to be talking about NIO, where I think it's heading, what's happening with the NIO, and we're actually a little up today and where I think it's going. Now, before we get into this video, guys, I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord server. We're really active, so if you want to join the community, it's completely free. We talk during market open, and if you do want to join our membership, that's a little more private. I go live stream with them every single night. If you want to join that, look at the membership tab or just DM me and I'll tell you about that. So let's take a look at NIO. Let's talk about what's happening and where we can go from there. So the first thing I was looking at NIO today, I posted this on my last video that I was looking that we need to get above 44.73 and that our support was here at 42.50, around that area. Well, guys, where do we find buyers at? We found buyers right at my support. We literally dipped there, buyers came in, and then bought it right back up. So if you were bullish on NIO today, this is exactly what you wanted to see. You didn't want to see it fall below support. So this could have gone a couple ways this morning. We could have continued to sell off, and then we could have just continued to head back down to the support at 38. But we know that buyers are here. Now, we knew this was an important level, because over here, buyers came in, over here, buyers came in, and right here they came in. So we know that this level at 42.50 was going to be an important level where buyers were going to come in. So when we dipped there today, that's exactly what happened. That's exactly what you wanted to see. Buyers showed up and we pushed price up. Now, what's happening now? So we need to look at a couple things. I talked about this on my video yesterday, that we have a strong support at 44.73. So on Monday, we blasted right through that. There were no buyers whatsoever. Right now, we tried to push above it to 45, around that area. But notice something. Sellers came in and pushed price down. Now, one thing to note though, it wasn't an aggressive sell-off. Right here, we had this aggressive sell-off. Now, it's not that much of aggressiveness. You notice that buyers are still hanging out around this level. So for the rest of the day, if you're watching this video, whenever it goes up, NIO needs to get above 44.73 and close. Right now, we're on the very, very fence of this. We don't need to be hanging right on the fence, because Wednesday, that'll make me more unsure. Maybe we continue this downtrend. So for me to be confident about NIO going to the session on Wednesday, Thursday, the new year, I want us to see us get above 44.73. This was a strong support. It held multiple times before, and now we're testing it from the underside, which is acting as a resistance. So we know that if we're going to have any type of bullish momentum, it's got to come from getting above 44.73. Now, once we get above 44.73, we're back on track, guys. We're back on track. We're back on that uptrend, and this was basically just a dip buying opportunity from this low point right here. So if we can continue this as just a dip buying opportunity, right here, we had this dip buy, right? We pushed up, we rallied. We're getting another dip buying opportunity. So if we can do something like this and then continue the uptrend to hit past this level, then that's amazing. But we don't know, what it's going to do. But we can look at these levels and predict what it's going to do. So we know that in order for us to continue this uptrend and it not be a downtrend and we head back down, it needs to get above 44.73, and we're right on the fence, guys. So we're right hovering over it. Now I'll be confident with NIO if we can hold above 44.73. If we don't, then guys, most likely we're coming back down to test this support once again. Now, there's only so many times that buyers can hold this support line before it breaks and sellers overwhelm them. So keep that in mind, guys. The more we hit this support line, the weaker and weaker it gets, and buyers may not show up anymore. So you really, really need for this to push through this resistance line at 44.73, and we're doing it just fine. As long as we can hold this level, I'm fine. So let's say we do hold this level and we get some bullish momentum in NIO towards the end of the day. What level am I looking at next? Well, the next level I'm looking at is this resistance right here at 46.70. Notice how that acted as support here 4 times. So we know that if price gets to this level, it's going to be an area of interest because it was a previous support and it acted as a resistance on the underside. So we know that if we're going to push up tomorrow or the rest of today, we need to watch this level right here and we need to get above it. If we don't, we're just going to get rejected like we did over here and then continue to fall down. So on Wednesday or Thursday, whatever day it may be, we need to push up and either consolidate a little, push past it, confirm it, and then start heading this uptrend back again. If we don't get above this level, then these levels right here will not matter. I have another resistance here at 48.31, and then finally another one at 49.37. So if we get above 48.31, we're heading to 49.37, and then we need to push through that and get up to 52.77. So I have a couple levels that I'm looking at, guys. This is my thought process going into NIO for the rest of the day and also the rest of the week. As long as we can get above 44.73, we are bullish on NIO, and we need to hold above it. Now, I'm not talking about get above it and just stay above it for like an hour and then fall back down. No, we need to hold above this level, and as long as we can hold above this level strongly, then we're going to be doing completely fine, and NIO is on the road to recovery. I know it's been annoying watching this and watching it just bleed out. Trust me, I know if you're an investor in NIO, it's been, a ride, a roller coaster ride. But as long as NIO can get back above this level, it's going to be completely fine, guys. And once again, before I end this video, I'd like to remind you still about my Discord server, completely free. We're literally chatting right now. If you want to join the conversation while market's still open, go ahead and hit me up. I'll be more than happy to have all of you in here. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video.